Hi everyone, my name is Arvin Olano and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so nobody asked, but in today's video, I am going to be sharing my top tips on how to make your home look expensive on a budget. Now, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to learn how to make your home feel luxurious. You want it to give off that expensive energy. When I think of something that is luxurious, it doesn't necessarily mean that you spend a lot of money buying really high-priced items and bringing it into your home. To me, something luxurious is a state of mind. It is a feeling, a vibe. It's a state of comfort that your home is pampering you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some budget-friendly tips to make your home feel expensive. Tip number one is to fill one wall with a large statement art piece. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to instantaneously make your home look expensive because a large statement art piece helps to ground a space and it creates a focal point that draws your eyes into a vignette or a wall or a decorative moment that you want your guests to focus on. And actually, I have a favorite piece right behind me. It's a brand new piece by Sarah Brooke, and a local follower here from Las Vegas actually helped me get this from HomeGoods. So right away, when you enter my studio, you are greeted by this larger-than-life art piece, which, by the way, was only around $250 for a really large canvas piece. You guys know I take a lot of my design inspiration from Restoration Hardware, and when you walk into one of their galleries, you are enveloped in so much luxury. And I think it's because they decorate with such large and grand pieces. Every room has a big statement art piece that is taking up a wall, and it really just helps to create that mood and that vibe. And that is one of my favorite tricks that I do here in my home. I know that when you're shopping for larger statement pieces, it could get really expensive. But you know, if you go to HomeGoods, you can get really beautiful pieces. If you are into DIY, you can buy one of these large pieces from HomeGoods. You can make your own painting and create that beautiful, expensive looking statement in your home. So my next tip is to learn what quality made pieces look like. And in order to do this, you have to go to your favorite high-end and designer luxury store so you can see what kind of fabrics, materials, designs, and how they put together different spaces. Okay, so this tip is crucial because okay, so this tip is crucial because it's going to teach you how to look for quality made pieces at stores like HomeGoods. I love going to my favorite designer stores so I can see what a quality sofa looks like, what a quality vessel looks like. That way, when I'm searching at my favorite stores, I can try to find dupes of these designer made pieces. And actually, one of my favorite finds this year is a Studio McGee bench dupe that I found from HomeGoods. The Studio McGee bench was around $2,200, but the bench that I found from HomeGoods is a beautiful rattan bench. I got it for around $200. I get that same kind of high-end, laid-back vibe, and I only paid a fraction of the cost. You can apply this tip to pillows, to sofas, to vessels. Learning what a quality piece looks like is essential to decorating your home and getting that expensive look, but staying on a budget. My next tip to make your home look expensive is to decorate with fresh florals or dried florals. Something about that touch of greenery, that touch of nature, really helps to create that elegance in a space. Think about the last time you went to a luxury hotel, you're walking up to the lobby and you're about to check in, and you are greeted by this grand floral arrangement at the lobby desk. Something about a beautiful arrangement creates that elegance and that high-end feeling in your space. It's also a great opportunity to display a beautiful little vessel like I have here. This is from H&M Home. You guys, H&M Home is killing it with the vessels. You would know if you're following me on Instagram, which is at Arvin Olano, that I am constantly recommending their vessels, and you guys sell them out. But anyway, think of fresh florals as the finishing touches to your room. It's kind of like the icing on top of a cake, right? It's something that you add at the end of your decorating process just to give off that expensive looking vibe. All right, so my next tip is to invest in one good quality made piece. Now, what I mean by this is you want to invest in the larger pieces of your home, whether it be your sofa, your bed frame, or maybe you're really into art pieces and you want to invest in a high-end art piece. What we did in our living room is we invested in a quality made leather sofa from Pottery Barn, which is a little bit expensive, but we actually got our accent chairs from Target and World Market. Now, the high and low mix not only helps to create a more personal space, and it doesn't feel like you bought everything from one store, but it helps you decorate on a budget. And even though you have these affordable pieces, you have the anchoring piece, the quality made piece that's more expensive, and instantly the eyes are going to be drawn to that beautiful quality made piece. And the affordable pieces that you get from, say, HomeGoods, IKEA, are going to just help carry the living room and make it feel that much more unique and special. You can apply this tip to any piece of furniture in your home. Let's say you are head over heels over a restoration hardware console, which I know is really expensive. You can get the console, invest your money, but when you are decorating and styling it, you can get some RH dupes from HomeGoods, whether it be vessels or books or art pieces. You can create that RH vibe, but you didn't have to buy every single piece at a really high price point. So my next tip to make your home feel expensive is to light some candles. Now, did you know that when you enter a space or a room, that the first thing you're gonna notice is the smell? It's true, you guys. And if your home doesn't smell nice or it smells kind of funky, it's not gonna look or feel expensive. Now, one of my favorite brands is Modev. I've actually been burning their candles for months now, and today I am burning Orchid, and I love this soft floral scent. It reminds me of my Lola. Growing up, she grew a lot of orchids? Growing up, she grew a lot of orchids, and I just remember her being in the kitchen, tending to her flowers. Not only is it gonna make your home smell good, it's gonna make it feel expensive as well. And if you're interested in getting some of my favorite candles, go ahead and check out Modev. Use the code ARVIN for 15% off. I'm gonna leave my favorite scents from Modev down in the description box, just in case you want to check it out. So my next tip to get that luxurious feeling home is to get good lighting. Now, I feel like good lighting is key to create that ambiance or that mood and the vibe that you want in your home. And whether you get downlights or floor lamps or maybe a beautiful chandelier, lighting can really affect your mood in your home. And the amount of good lighting can really create that luxurious feeling space. And you don't have to spend a lot of money to get good lighting or to get beautiful accent lamps. Again, you can go to Target, to HomeGoods, and since we're talking about lighting, actually one of my favorite tips is to connect your lights to a Bluetooth enabled device. What I mean by that is you can control your lights using Siri or Alexa. Now, my partner Andrew is an electrical engineer, and he was very adamant about connecting our lights to Siri. There is nothing more luxurious than being able to control your lights while you're laying down in bed and you want to either turn it off or turn it on because you're getting ready to go to sleep. Okay, hold on. Let me just show you what I mean by this. Hey Siri, turn on studio lights. Done. I will never get tired of that. Hey Siri, turn off studio lights. Done. You see what I mean? You guys, There is nothing more luxurious than being able to do that. You will never go back to turning on your switches, walking up from your bed to turn off your lights. It's just, it's so amazing. We actually use Lutron lights here in our home. I'm gonna link it down below because they are incredible. So my last tip to make your home look expensive is to buy designer items on sale or from the outlet. You know by now that here on my channel, I am obsessed with finding a great deal. So I'm constantly scouring the internet for sales, discounts from some of my favorite stores like Crate & Barrel, CB2, and Restoration Hardware. Enjoy the process and the hunt of finding beautiful pieces that fit your budget. There's nothing more satisfying than finding that perfect piece that matches your home decor and you got it on sale. Just like this massive art piece behind me that sells online for about $1,100 and I got it from HomeGoods for about $250. It just makes my day when I find pieces like that because, whew, I know we are all working on a tight budget, so again, just take your time, enjoy the process, buy quality made pieces, and you are for sure going to make your homes look more expensive. All right, everyone, that was it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, that way I know to do more videos just like this one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't